Sup?
Sup?
Mm.
Okay, so, come on guys, calm it down. We're gonna go trick-or-treating. Yeah. Go to this house first, not that house. I just gotta go to that house first. Okay, come on. Yeah, come on. A bit faster now, a bit faster. Go.
Sups?
Yeah. Cameraman.
It's like a black and white. Where are the colours being shown? Hello. Where's the colour being?
Okay, ready? Are they home? Trick or treat!
Wow, my goodness, hey? So what are you after? Trick or a treat?
A treat.
Gangnam Style.
You think we'd have some?
Yeah, I reckon.
Oh, we're going to see what we can find, eh?
Yeah, give me. That's waiting on me. Okay. And but actually, I reckon.
Oh god, there's blood on there. You can't see it though because this thing isn't in colour.
I reckon both.
You only have one.
Okay, so I reckon the right.
The right hand. All right, you're right. Here you go. Oopsie. You want the rest too? Yeah.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Right.
And we'll see you all next year. Subscribe!